Are sports drinks healthy or not? So the conventionally purchased sports drinks we know are very popular. They do contain a lot of sugar, and this is always a refined, unhealthy sugar, as you know, which I talk about in other videos. So make sure you check out my videos on sugar addiction if you have not yet seen those, but I'm not a big fan of sugar. They can also contain artificial colors and artificial sweeteners. So if it is a sugar-free version, then those artificial sweeteners are a negative as well, because they can have a negative impact on your gut flora, your immune system, and what's going on with your digestion. They can actually make you gain weight as well, which a lot of people don't realize, and the studies actually prove that the artificial sweeteners will have a negative impact on your blood sugar levels. So that being said, some of the other common ingredients in the conventional sports drinks include, of course, water. What type of water is that? Is that a high deuterium water? Does it have fluoride? Question mark. As well as sugar, as I said, dextrose as well, citric acid, salt. What type of salt? Sodium citrate, monopotassium phosphate, gum arabic, glycerol, ester of rosin, and other flavorings. So a lot of those words, as you can hear, doesn't sound too natural. Now you can definitely make your own sports drink, and that's what I like to do, and I make this for the kids as well, especially when they're doing their sports. So check out my other video. It's called the Electrolyte Drink on Doctor Janine Live, so you can check that out. That is a great recipe. You can mix it up yourself and has everything that you need, especially if you're perspiring a lot and doing a lot of, heavy work and aerobic exercise, and, it's something great to get those electrolytes back into your body. So today I talked all about our sports drinks, healthy or not. Can you guess what my verdict is on this one? Yes, this one is the big red X, especially if you're not making it yourself. If you do have questions or comments, if you love your sports drinks, I'd love to hear from you below, so put that in the comment section. Be sure to share this video as well, and give me a big thumbs up. I truly appreciate all of your great feedback. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe and click that bell to turn on your post notifications. Now, everybody has a calling in life, and my calling is to empower you to live a healthy lifestyle and, of course, to do it naturally. Thanks for watching today.